One of the questions we get asked the most here at Hiner is, what do we do in the wintertime? And quite frankly, that's actually one of the best times to get on our schedule, is so that we can build it through the winter. We have fewer distractions here at the office. We're able to focus on the job a heck of a lot more, and we can still do about 90% of what we're doing in your yard in the off season, with the exception of planting some of the small plants and laying the sod and getting the irrigation all dialed in. We can get all the hardscape, all the excavation, all the heavy lifting is pretty much done. And then what's great is we can come back in the springtime and just finish it, take it to the finish line. So what that means is we come back, we'll put all the plants in the ground, we'll lay the sod, we'll get the irrigation tuned in, and then rather than us starting the project in July and then getting it by August, we're showing up in June. You're getting it turned over in just a few days when it warms up, and you get to enjoy your yard the entire year, at least the entire summer, as opposed to just waiting for us to get started when the summer hits. So a follow-up question we get is, but what happens when it snows? Well, thankfully here in the Front Range, it'll snow and then we might get shut down for a day or two, but then it's here and gone. It melts within a couple of days. We're able to shovel it clean and we're right back to work. In addition to this being one of the most frequent questions we get, especially the fall time, like it is right now when we're filming this, we get asked, oh, we're not sure, should we postpone this question until spring and then pick it up then? Actually, now is the best time to lock us in. We get to spend a lot of time having fun in the design process with you, and then we get to put you on the schedule and do the build through the winter. While you're here on our YouTube, check out some of our other vlogs. You'll see plenty of projects that we did through the winter and how they all turned out. But if you have any questions, drop them below, give us a like or comment, subscribe. We'd love to interact with you. We'd love to answer your questions. Until next time, I'm Matt with Hiner Outdoor Living, and we'll see you on the next one.